This is what the shower arm mount looks like when it's taken apart in 4 pieces, and this is how to get it back together. This little split ring, it's supposed to be split like that. The bottom, you want to have it like this so that the bottom part goes in more than the top part. If you can see that. Take the ball joint and slide the split ring over the ball, like that. Hand tighten it only, don't over tighten it. If you need to move this swivel to a different spot, you can loosen it a little bit. Move it to where you want it and then tighten again, but just snug, not over tightened. And it's good to go.